Pourquoi non m'a fait non rien? Et qu'est-ce que tu as argument?
Hey, you have seen on YouTube. This is a do unboxing official. What we got right here, Kemei 129. You know, it got 1200 milliamp, 10 watts, which is very, very good. And the battery using time 180 minutes. It's not bad. It's not bad. LCD display with 6500 RPM, you know. Cable, 3 guards, and little brush. So this is the trimmer. It cannot be zero gapped, but of course you can change it with a T-wide blade, you know. Looks good somehow. And it's plastic. It's not a USB Type-C or micro USB Type-C charging. Let's turn it up, man. Okay. And I guess you can regulate the speed, you know. And now it's 5500 RPM. So 6000 RPM, 6500 RPM. So just 3 speed. It's not bad, you know. How I wish you can zero gap the stock blade. It would have been more better, you know. It's a little bit zero gap, man. It would have been more better. So you can change the blade with a wall T-wide blade, you know. Yeah, nothing really special. So peace, man. Oh, one thing I forgot, to test the RPM. So let's test this 6000. It is. Okay, let's test the highest one. Okay, this one is really fast. 6200, the highest one. Okay, and by the way, this is my new toy. You know, this one is more precise and more faster than the old one that I've been using, you know. So this is the old one I've been using, and this is the new one. This new one is more better, you know. You can make a contactless RPM test, or you can make with contact. Just fix this one here. Then if there's any rotating something, just put there is a adapter you put here. Then you just stick it here like this, you know. Then you change the manual to contact. Then maybe you can open the blade and you can test only the motor by putting it, and it's rotating, so it will show you. That's my new toy. So now, peace.
Okona,